I did it. Oh God, I just recorded a whole video and my microphone was off. I'm so frustrated. Let's try this again. So today's video, we're doing a massive tech haul, a little studio upgrade, showing you some of the things that I just recently bought. This video is not at all sponsored. I paid for all this gear with my own money. I do have affiliate links below for B&H and Amazon. Check those out. That would help me out just a little bit. And if you hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome. Let's do this. I'm gonna show you a little bit around my studio. It's crazy messy right now, but I just want you guys to get a chance to kind of see what it's looking like right now, what we're doing, what we're upgrading, because this is a series where I'm trying to improve and build upon the studio. Today, we got awesome gear to check out. Let me just show you a quick rundown of the studio. We got blankets and rugs galore, because I'm trying to cut down on that reverb and that echo. We got a mess of gear all spread out because I'm just trying to organize that gear closet and the one outside and just trying to make sure the studio looks nice. But that means taking everything out, seeing what you got, seeing what you don't need, and so everything's kind of everywhere right now. And here's a set that you guys are growing to love and some of the things that we're changing and working on right now. So I'm excited to get into the first product, that guy. So the first upgrade I want to talk about is this awesome Boom wall-mounted arm. So what I'm trying to do is work on getting rid of all these crazy stands in my studio, the light stands, the tripods, the mic stand, just trying to get rid of everything. And this thing has been awesome. So this is one of my main Aputure lights. I'm gonna be using it as my fill light, but what's cool about it is, check this out. I can swing it, I can boom it out, and it rotates about 120 degrees. If I mounted it somewhere else, I could rotate it more. But what's cool is I can use it filming this way towards where my main set is, but over here where I have my second set, I can also boom it this way, turn it around, and be able to have a fill light for this side as well. So over here, you can see that I have this special little rig right here. I'll link it below, but I don't love it right now. I thought when I got it that it was a wall-mounted rig, but really it has to be on these two light stands or posts or tripods or C-stands, whatever you want to mount it on. But currently it's an overhead rig, a little mic rig. I just really want to get rid of it and mount it to the ceiling or figure out some sort of way to get it off the ground. But that's another upgrade I'm making. Overhead rig coming soon. As you can see right now, the studio's a crazy mess. The normal filming table even has a blanket on it so I wouldn't get stuff all over it or scratch it up because I've been doing construction on a few different things, upgrading the studio. This video isn't that. This is a haul of all the awesome new gear I got, so let's check out some of the stuff. Let me save that for later. First off, I got a new boom arm to try. This is a B&H photo one, it's an Auray one. What's cool about it is it raises it about 2 feet extra off of your table. But of course, if I'm gonna test this one out, I gotta make sure I try the Rode PSA 1. So I got both in, trying to see which one I like better. Next up, the big box. Okay, let me put this on the floor. Let's check this out together. For the record, it's really hard to be excited the second time around because the first time I did this, like I said, my mic was off and now I'm crazy sweaty, but let's do it. Ooh. I got this glide gear teleprompter to try out because now I'm doing a few professional shoots that kind of require this. But what you don't know, or maybe you don't know, is that I do not script any of my videos. I kind of hit record, think about what I'm gonna say it, stop record, hit record. That's my process. I just go for it. I feel like that's more natural, but I needed to get a teleprompter. I heard this one's pretty good. We're gonna try it out. Woo! Next up, I see it. The thing I was most excited about, the new Shure SM7B. This is a very famous microphone. Everybody loves this thing, and I cannot wait to try it because if you haven't heard, I'm gonna try to start a new podcast, and I will link my channel below. It's my second channel, How To's. I'm gonna try out the podcast thing just for fun, but I didn't get this just for that. I actually really like Potato Jet and some other YouTubers that actually use this as their main microphone for YouTube. We're gonna try it out. Okay, next thing in the box. You cannot get a Shure SM7B without getting the Cloudlifter. This will basically make your Shure SM7B sound so much better. It's worth the extra 100, 150 bucks. Get it. Next two items, necessity, but kind of boring. Got an extension, 3.5mm jack Rode cable, as well as XLR cable. You know, boring stuff. And then also needed another CFast card. Whoa, this one's big. This is the RODECASTER Pro. I know that the Shure SM7B can go into a Scarlett Focusrite, a Zoom H4, 6, whatever, but I really wanted to try this guy. I've heard it's awesome. I'm not just gonna use it for the podcast, but I'm actually gonna use it for my YouTube videos too as my audio interface, and we're gonna see how it is. Remember, not a review, just a haul, so if you wanna see reviews of these items, drop a comment below and I'll let you know. So going back this way, you see that I have gray, I have orange, and I have black. My other pickup is I just got a white one. I think it's called super white or pure white, one of those. And I got the tech green, so green screen, my first one ever. And then the next color I kind of want to try out is mocha. I love these Savage seamless backdrop papers. What color do you think I should get next? Another upgrade I got recently was this guy. This is the Rode VideoMic NTG, but I gotta be honest, this one Rode sent out to me to check out, but I've been absolutely loving this thing. I've been mainly using this for all my Skype calls, my Zoom calls, my Google Meet calls. This thing plugs in via USB-C, and I love that. This was the second episode of this studio upgrade series. If you haven't seen the first, it was the sneak peek. I'll link it right here. Make sure to go check it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, just give it 2 thumbs down and hit that subscribe button. That'll really get me. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying that I've been posting, if not 1, 2 videos a week. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you find out when my next video comes out. My name's Jerry Land with No Tech, and to the next one and beyond.